tell me which industry spends that much time to prepare a person. And once you get prepared, you get into a project or an engagement. When you come out of an engagement, we have to put you in another engagement. So the bench is created by ourselves, saying, first you need to know the customer, you need to know the industry, and you will be working on a completely different technology. And there might be some tools that are used in that which you have never worked on. So we will use that time to deploy you there. Or the opportunity that we found you on the next thing to get started will take its own time. So that's a waiting time. Sometimes it is longer because there are a lot of reasons why. Because the person who has the technology refuses to learn another technology and move on. Okay, SAP guys say, no, I will stay in SAP, I don't want to move to Oracle. Unless we have an SAP opportunity, I can't put you there. Right? So we have to wait for the SAP opportunity to come. I just took an example, but SAP and Oracle, we have no problem. But I'm just saying, somebody did a KICS DB2 in a not even a 3090, ES3090 mainframe. How many companies are doing that software? And the person refuses to get into an internet or a .NET and learn that technology. That person has to be in bench until we get something on a mainframe. That's the truth. That's the reality that happens.
Discussion about previous. When you said that it takes around 18 months or so for a person or resource to get into the working environment or get into the efficient level of return. It means in IT industry or in any industry, what happens actually the most valuable asset of any organization is the resource, human resource. But when the recession type of things come, then what happens that we first of all just look at, oh, just get out. We try to do these kind of things. And then their research and development kind of things don't take place. Because if your people are not free, then they cannot do that. So, as you have already said, that 18 months time it takes for a student to be in something to make him a profitable asset. Why don't the industry have ideas or have collaborations with the industry directly, with the colleges directly, so that they can implement or they can integrate their syllabus or whatever the technologies, tools they are working on, they can have their various modules to be integrated in the various syllabus of the universities or colleges. Suppose 10 guys will be taught on these particular tools, with certain users 10 guys will be taught on these particular tools and technologies that Microsoft works like this. Why it is not there? Again, I think that if there's something can we do like
I saw 2 labs by IBM and Cisco, which is very good and impressive. Most of the bigger IT companies have started. For instance, Satyam, we have something called Campus Link, and we have linked up with so many colleges. Very quickly, what are the things we do? Some of the select few colleges, we have a COE with them. Okay, and we also have, before people, whoever gets selected in a college, they can get trained before even they come to us. It's online.
it will cut the costs.
Is we are also saying don't put everything onto the student. We are also encouraging for the faculty to come and work with us for 3 months or 6 months. Because train the trainer. The trainer, if it is trained, then they will be able to impart the training much better. And I don't know if there are any faculty in this room. I would strongly recommend that the students and the management of colleges are also facing a huge attrition problem, because you have to stick around and make sure that the industry is growing, industry is providing these opportunities. I mean, how many, and whenever we do a webinar, we are telling the colleges, why don't you connect up? When we are doing this to our employees, you can also get connected up and see. There are amazing technology conferences that we do. An amazing solution architecture that we bring on, which is not there in the industry. So those things will, one is your basic language and academia that you